Okay, here on our first episode of Can I Put That in the Microwave, we are going to put a lighter in the microwave. What shall it do? Many mysteries lie ahead that will be answered. So see, you put it in the middle. How long should we put it in for? I'd say, let me think. 3 minutes? I don't know. Let's see. Start. Now we back up. So we watch what happens. Breaking up. Oh, it's caught fire. It's caught fire. It's caught fire. It's caught fire. It caught fire. So far, I don't think anything's gonna happen. Except for that. That was pretty cool. That's all we're gonna get out of it. What a dirty mess. That was kinda cool. Very cool. Okay.